Gratitude journal every day. I'm grateful for, and I'm grateful for. This is what my clients told me recently. The habit of being grateful is something that they just cannot connect to, that they know that it's a very good idea, they know the science behind it, but really doesn't work for them. And as you know, in this channel we talk about the divine feminine essence, and I was thinking about it, I was feeling about it. Why? What is it with habits that work and don't work? That there is a limit with it. And I started observing how I exercise habits. You see, when I was little, when I was 14, I suffered of eating disorders. And I had very strict habits. I basically did not eat. That's terrible. And the thing that healed me was to fall in love with the food, to pay attention to that raisin, to put attention to that soup, to become one with the food. I didn't know it at that time, but that is the feminine essence, that is the divine feminine, to be present with whatever is what we are doing, to commune, to be in the oneness of all that is. With that exercise, without a spiritual exercise, my eating disorders just disappeared. I started eating just exactly what I needed, when I needed it. I was one with my body and say, well, now I need steak. Steak, this is what my body is asking me. And there was seasons in which my body was asking me vegetables. And I became vegetarian for a couple of years. What I'm telling you is that there is a nuance between habits and something more expansive, connected with this subject of presence. And I decided to call it, or it was inspired for me to call it, devotional practices. It's not that I eat meat or I eat salad at 2 o'clock and so many, and I weigh it and it is, 20 grams of this macro, and I eat organ meat at 10 o'clock, or all these rules, that are habits. I threw them out of the window. What I welcome is the intuition of what is what my body needs right now. What is what I need right now? What does the moment need right now? This is what is to awaken the divine feminine in you. This mindful presence in what is what you are doing. What is the moment calling for? I do intermittent fasting for years and years and years. However, there are moments in which I am invited to a breakfast, or it's the birthday of one of my children, and I feel, what is the moment asking me for? And sometimes, yes indeed, I have the croissants. Sometimes I say, I am fine, I want to have my coffee, and this is what's going to be. And I have learned to call it intuitive eating. But it goes beyond food. It goes to conversations that I have with people. There are people who are calling my attention at the same time, and I pay attention. I say, where is my soul? Where do I need to be? Yesterday, my song was educating me in the subject of rap that before yesterday I didn't know anything about. And I decided to sit down and listen. And he showed me the most beautiful songs that I never heard before. And I was there, I was present, I discovered something incredible because I was with him, because it was my devotional practice to be with my son. And now a bridge has been built between my son and me, because now I understand what is the music that he likes. And I'm not following a specific book that at 10 o'clock I need to listen to my son. No, it is not the habit of listening to my son. It's the devotional practice of how do I express my love for him. Right now, I am doing the videos for my channel because there is a moment in all my schedule that just fits. And it feels right because, you know, there behind the camera, there are these beautiful flowers and the sun is shining. Even if it is a very cold day, things flow. And I devotionally do it. So what I'm inviting you to do is to release the need to take action according to your habits, according to your plan, according what your brain says that you should do. I want you not to let go of those plans, but I want you to filter those plans with the lens of what does your soul say. When you look at your plans, at your habits, that this is what my soul is asking me to do. This is the report that I need to create for my company. This is a conversation that I need to have with my husband. This is the whatever thing that is in your to-dos, you will do it with the attention that it deserves, with the love that it deserves. You will notice that you will be faster, more accurate, more powerful, because you will not need to repeat, redo, because you are coming from a place of solidity, a place of groundedness, a place that is down and below inside, where the wisdom of the soul, where the wisdom of the womb lives. So this is a devotional practice. It's not a to-do list, it's not a habit, it's something that your soul illuminates. It is very different. The results will astound you. And as they accumulate day after day, month after month, year after year, you are going to build a life that you are going to be so delighted to inhabit. Even you are going to have the power to forgive yourself in the moments where you were not present, in the moments where you forgot and you acted automatically, because there will be a new now in which you will act out of love. The more love you pour into your life, the more will come back to you. And even in big disasters that you might encounter in your life, you will be able to serve through them, because you will be insulated by this love. I wish you a wonderful, wonderful day. And as always, please like the video, share it, subscribe. Here, YouTube is going to tell you which is the video that you will love to watch. Have a wonderful day.